How to use Zelle with IBC Bank. Now, I'm going to be very straightforward when it comes to this concern. So basically, the answer is you cannot connect or you cannot use Zelle with IBC Bank. But I'm going to be providing you alternative ways for you to be able to use the specific wide feature or the network that you can still use Zelle. So what are the specific banks that supports or works with Zelle? You can actually try to go with Citibank, TD Bank, use a Federal Savings Bank, or Wells Fargo. So if your specific funds is directly from IBC Bank, what you want to do is just go ahead and transfer your current fund from IBC Bank to any of the working bank that was stated earlier. And that way you can still use Zelle, but not directly from IBC Bank. So I believe that's pretty much it. Those are the alternative ways for you to be able to still use Zelle with IBC Bank.